Thank you, Grandma Nicholson. Thank you for the presents.
What'd you get?
Baby.
A baby.
Babies.
All right.
Give me the thing now.
Lucy bought a baby
Here.
that sneezes and is sick and needs to be taken care of.
Now give me this a minute.
Jack, why don't you go get your cars, man?
You didn't even make the baby. Put the baby back. There it was. There. What's there? You can do her more tomorrow. It goes like this. Yeah. Then next. A temperature.
You giving her some medicine? Okay.
Thanks, Mom. What's in here? Next 7 is this.
What is that?
Just got this last night.
Okay.
When take these away from, then we almost finish two more.
Okay.
Nothing over there. And for the baked and the baby. The baked and the baby I'm gonna make weeks.
No.
No, the baby. Can you wake her up a minute
You're gonna wake her up.
for the alarm? Whoops. From the bed.
Oh, you gotta have a temperature?
Yes. She got tissue. Whoops. Sounds good. Just put it back. Then Abby say not the baby. Yes. Tissue. We go get make. No, we just got tissue. We get McDonald's tomorrow. A McDonald's toys tomorrow
Okay.
from the birthday. We have to get that birthday from the McDonald's one. Once done over, it's fine. Good night, baby.